A lot of recipes tell home cooks to wash turkey or chicken before they do anything else with it. What does the science tell us about that?
Well, first of all, our recommendation, best practice would be not to do that. It really can only make things less safe. It's something that's been around for a long time. It was a recommendation from Julia Child. And the reason why the recommendation was there is because there might be something that's a little bit slimy on the outside of that turkey. And that kind of evolved into a situation where people thought that they were actually cleaning, removing any of the bacteria that was on the outside that might make someone sick. It's why we cook is really to kill that bacteria.
Right.
That's what we're trying to do.
Right.
We did some research here at NC State looking at this exact issue. We brought people into kitchens, we asked them to wash different poultry parts, and found that if there was bacteria on the outside, it gets deposited in your sink. And now whatever I'm doing in that sink, I can then contaminate the food that I'm preparing there afterwards. And I think about my home kitchen, I do a lot of salad preparation. I might put a colander with salad and rinse that off. And what we saw was that salad can get contaminated by splashing water because the sink was contaminated in the first place. So it's not a necessary step for safety-wise, and in fact, it's only gonna make things less safe.
So if somebody does wash turkey or chicken in their sink before they cook with it, how do they clean the sink properly so that it is safe?
So it is something that you can mitigate that risk. You can make sure that you both clean and sanitize your sink really, really well. By clean and sanitize, what I mean is I want to use some sort of soap, some sort of detergent to remove anything that might have been deposited there. And afterwards, I want to rinse that off, and then I'm going to use some sort of a sanitizer. Most common, my kitchen, we use a lot of bleach sanitizer. There's also quaternary ammonia, lots of commercial products that are available at the grocery store that you can purchase this, and sanitize that afterwards. Usually it's with the spray, and then just let it sit.
Right, so wash it, sanitize it, and then wash it off again?
And let it sit and then rinse it again.